Alright, how's it going, everybody? I want to show you drivers what happens out here from time to time. What we tried to do, we tried to move the tandems, and what's happening is we're just dragging. You know, the wheels are turning because the brakes are not properly adjusted. So I'm going to show you how to adjust these old kind right here. This is the old type right here. I always have this in my box, this 7/16 ratchet thing, always ready to go. Okay, I've come out here, I want to tighten it up, so I put it on, tighten it all the way down, right? The brakes are released inside, right?
Yes.
No, I'm talking to them. You got to make sure that the brakes are released inside, and you'll know that they're not released because you won't be able to turn it. Okay, so once you got it tight all the way, this is the way I was taught. All right, what I do? Okay, now I turn it so it'll go back the other way. These kind here, they got a soft little brake in them. So watch, you won't hear a sound, and it'll have like a little soft spot there. You see that? It'll have a little soft part like that. Then I bring it back to 12 o'clock, and I can either, you know, go all the way down to 6 o'clock, or I could just go to 9 twice. 9, 9. Let go! And that's it. That's all you do for this older kind here. Okay, guys. I got it pulled out. You know, you can use chalk or you can use some kind of a marker if you like, but I like to just grab a spray and spray the hole that I want to put it in. I don't know, it's just something I thought of, and I do it. All right, here we go. Chrissy's gonna move it. Look at that. Stop. Still cannot get it to unlock. Check that out. Now what we're gonna try to do now is I'm gonna have her try to go forwards and backwards with aggressiveness. Have her go forwards and backwards and try to get it to release. I can tell you that the brakes are definitely tighter. Wow, it does not want to work. It's not looking good. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and jump into driver's seat. I'm usually a little bit luckier and a little bit better at this than she is.
Okay, Joe's gonna give it a try now, see if he can get it to release. Joe, there we go. I loosened it up for him. I don't see where he put the mark up though.
I sprayed it.
You did?
Yeah, you see the darker hole one that I sprayed?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
This one right over here.
Oh.
You see that?
Okay.
The middle one right there. That's the one that I sprayed. So we're almost there.
Alright.
See, I told you guys I'm a little bit better at this than she is.
I had it loosened up for you. I'm gonna set the pin and have it move forward so it'll lock in. Yeah. now we're locked in.
So, you know, sometimes you gotta do a little bit of a jerkiness to it. You know, you gotta not quite pop the clutch, but you know, you gotta be a little aggressive on it sometimes. You know, what are you gonna do? You know, you know, it's the company's equipment, but you know, the next thing that I was gonna have to do was just tighten the brakes all the way down by hand and then try it. You could tell the brakes are definitely tighter than what they were, but it still wasn't working without giving it that little, you know, little jerk to it, you know, and it slid it loose. That's what you got to do.